Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. So we start today. Good morning, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have seen the different mixers used for whether it's solid doses form, or whether it's a solid powder mixture, or it may be semi-solid or liquid mixing, right? So different mixers can be used for to mixing the ingredient appropriately, and 100% mixture it should be possible. We have seen last time that is a tumbler mixer, and in that just you can material we can tumble or just rotate that. Sorry. Oh. Hello. Can you see the slide? Slide this day, hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we
Yes,
have
sir.
last time we have seen the tumbling mixer. Tumbling means that is just again if any container, if you have shake it properly, right? So that process is called as tumbling, right? So different tumblers are used. So this is a one type of tumbler, the second type of tumbler, right? So you can rotate it the anti-clockwise or clockwise direction, right? So every material can be mixed properly. This is the directions which are maybe direction which are given. Then this is the different designing of the tumbler mixers. This is a U shape, there is a V shape blender. It's called as a V shaped blender, right? So just you can putting the material into that and rotate it the is a various speed, right? And that procedure is called as a tumbling, right? So we have seen already this mixer. So today you'll see next mixer, there is a double cone blender, right? So what is mean by double cone? So double cone is this is a double cone blender. This mainly consists of the large double cone. These are two cones are there. So two cones which are attached to itself and to form a double cone. That's why it is called as a double cone shaped tank. Generally mixing with the solid mixers which having the different densities. If the material having the different densities, so particularly this type of the mixture is used, right? It is particularly used for the only solid powders. Only solid. It is not used a semi-solid. Only solid powder we can mixing with the help of this double cone blender, or it is called as a mixer also. So mixing which occur in the rotations blender, usually that is a 30 to 100 RPM. So the speed is fixed with that, and with that rotation, right? So every material which are overlap together, and to mixing that all the material with the all the material with the help of the different densities. Okay, so the powder which are solid powder which are fed and discharged from the same opening and the port, right? There is no separate port is there, so you can just put up the material into that the one vent and discharge from the same vent, right? There is two vents are not there, right? So we can just put up and just take from that or discharge from that the same vent is there, right? So this is a double core. So mixing is very efficient blending, and because with the optimum rotation, right, with a different material have the densities, so can a perfect mixing is possible. Then some blender which consists of the cylindrical tank with mixing blade. So again, some of the blender which are attached inside the blades are there. So the small blades which are attached inside. So with that blade, hello lecturer, okay. So some blades which are the same rubber cone is there. So inside that cone, right, we attach with the different blades. So why this blade is required? So blade is attached inside, so can is give that some of the shearing action, right? Some of the so blade is helpful for, right? समजा की मटेरियल हे एकदम साईडला गेला कॉर्नरला गेला तर ते परत सेंटरमध्ये येत नाहीये, राईट? त्यासाठी वेगवेगळे छोटे छोटे ब्लेड्स तुम्ही इनसाइड अटॅच केले तर काय होईल, त्या ब्लेडनी जे मटेरियल साईडला आहे कॉर्नरला आहे ते मटेरियल मध्ये सेंटरला येते आणि ते कॅन पार्टिसिपेट इन द मिक्सिंग. Or understand it. So then the blade's shape is also very important. So the blade shape is somewhat there is a splitting like. त्यामुळे स्प्लिटिंग लाईक किंवा स्लोपी लाईक स्लोप असतो, त्यामध्ये स्लोप असल्यामुळे काय होते पावडर हे स्प्लिट होईल आणि मिक्सिंग प्रॉपरली होईल, राईट? सो दिस अबाउट द डबल कोन. So these are the double cone blenders are there. This is particularly a double cone. It's a V-shaped blender, Y-shaped blenders are there, or it is octagonal blenders is there. It's particularly used for solid mixing or powder mixing, right? But it is a double cone blender. So these are two blenders. Is a one blender, is one, and the second we can just which are attached with this two cones, and that's why this is a double cone is there. So inside the double cone, these are the vents are there. Is the first vent and second vent, right? So the same vent is used for to put up the material into that into that blender, right? And the same vent is used for to discharging the material, right? So there is no any separate vent is there, so we can just we can incoming the material, or just we add the material and discharge the material from that cone blender, right? So this double cone we can rotate its own axis at the center axis, and with that rotation, so every material which are tumble, right? Every material which are tumble with the shearing action with the help of the so the inside can attach with the different blades. So in this case, which are inside we can attach with the different blades with that blades which causing that shearing action. So the material which are going at the different corner of that blender, that same material it is cannot mix properly. So that's why this shearing with the blade, right? So the such material which are coming at the center and which are participation in that mixing, right? So these are the different double cone blenders are there. So which are developed by a shortcoming rotating mixer. Somewhat double cone is very highly efficient mixer is there. So all the powder which are mixing perfectly, right? What are the problems of the other mixers, right? So it is totally overcome with this double cone, right? So mixing of the powder is double cone blender, the tumbling and shearing action, right? So these are the two mechanisms which are used for the mixing. The tumbling means we can just tumble the material and to mixing that material. This is called as tumbling, right? Without any shearing. But the shearing action with the blade, so we can attach is inside the double cone. We can attach with the different blades, and with that blades which are with a higher speed of that the blades which are causing that shearing action. And with that shearing, right, every material we can mix into that the one material to the other material, right? So double cone blender is made of the stainless steel. It's how the different capacity of the double cone is blender is there. The 5 kg as well as 200 kg. These are the different capacity are there. So as per your requirement, we can select that the blender and use for that, right? Then rotation the speed is very optimum, right? Rotation speed is depending upon the what type of the size and the shape of the tumbler. Understand it? Or what is the nature of the nature of the material? Because if the nature of material is a very low melting point material and your speed of the rotation is very high, it may create some energy, and with that creation of the energies, right, with the increase the temperature of that material, and after increasing temperature, right, so the what is the solid material which are converted into the liquid with the help of the melting. Understand it? So the speed of rotation is very important, and it's depending upon that what type of the size of that tumbler, or what type of shape of the tumbler, or what is the nature of the tumbler is one of the common. So just common range of the tumbling is there, as a rotation is there, the 30 to 100 RPM, right? So the material which are blended, which are approximate loading the 50 to 60% of total capacity. म्हणजे 50 ते 50 to 60% we have to add into that blender. समजा की 100 kg त्याचं कॅपॅसिटी असेल मल्टी डबल कोन ब्लेंडरची, तर तुम्ही 50 किंवा 60 kg तुम्ही ऍड करू शकता, जेणेकरून ते पावडर मटेरियल विच आर टंबल एव्हरी कॉर्नर अँड विच आर giving the sharing of the every powder, right? That's why the capacity, the loading capacity should be appropriate. So if your loading capacity is very high, if the capacity is 100 kg, if you add just 100 of kg of the material, so which are difficult to tumbling, right? It's difficult to mixing the material to each other, and it may chance it is a create the pressure, is a create the sharing with that with the sharing, right? It may chance it is a bust of that the double cone blend is also there. This is the blender is rotated material with the tumbling action, right? Tumbling motion with the sharing, all right? Then agitate blade, the blades which are attached inside with that blade, right, which are producing the sharing action, and with that sharing the maximum the mixing is possible, right? So this is a particularly the design of double cone blender. So this is an electrical motor, it is attached with that, and this is a double cone, this is a single, this is a 1 and 2, right? So inside we can attach with the different blades for the sharing action. Then you can rotate its the own axis, and after rotation, right, with the maximum speed should be required, that is 30 to 100 RPM, then the perfect mixing is possible. This is one more example, right? So these are the different blades which are attached with inside that. This is the first blade and this second blade, right? So with that blade, can this blades which are moving, right, at the various speed, and after moving that the various speed is create the pressure, is create the shear, the shearing force, and with the shearing force, right, if the sum of the material which are producing the dump mixture is a large size असेल तर त्याचं small size करेल sharing force ने, alright? So these are double cone blender is there. Hello.
Yes, sir.
कोणाचा आवाज येतोय? Hello. Okay. So this is one more mixer is there. It is not a double cone. This is single cone. Okay. So these are the single cone which are attached with this shaft, right? There is one vent is there. Only one vent is there, right? This is called as single cone. Okay. So this material which are just feed up into that with a single vent, right? And you can rotate it the various speed with the help of the motor. The motor is attached with that, right? With the help of the motor, we can adjust the speed with the help of the motor, right? Then after this rotation with the various speed and the time, right? Then you can collect the material from the same vent, right? So this is one more designing of the double single cone is there. The second mixer is there is called as a sigma blade, or it is also called as a arm mixture, right? So particularly this is a sigma blade, is the name itself is the same as to sigma. The size and the shape of the blade is there is same as to sigma. That's why it is called as a sigma blade. So particularly this sigma blade, which are used for semi-solid plastic consistency material. If you want to mixing semi-solid or in the powder mixture, which are in that powder mixture, which are add some of the solvents into that and to prepare the dumb mass or the cohesive mass, that it is called as semi-solid mass. So if the one material which are mixing properly into that uniform mixture and producing the cohesive mixture, right? That's why this sigma blades can be used, right? So the principle of that sigma blade is that it is called as shearing. So with the help of the sigma blade, with the help of the blading, with the blade which are attached inside the body, right? And with that sigma blade, which are causing that shearing action, right? So the sigma blade which are create higher shear and kneading action. So kneading action means that the one metal which are passing to the another place, which are very fastly, and which are producing the some kneading action. Right? Kneading action means एक मटेरियल इकडे जाईल ते दुसरं मटेरियल इकडे जाईल व्हेरी फास्टली आणि त्यामुळे मटेरियल इकडे तिकडे जाण्यामुळे काय होईल which perfect mixing is possible and that is called as kneading action. Then so with this is one principle. So these sigma blades which are based on the principle of the shearing, they create the high shear and also the kneading action. So these are designing of the different blades are there. So can in the ball can attach with these blades, right? This is same as to sigma like, right? Or S like or the sigma like. So these are the it is outside there is a mixer cell. It's a mixer cell, and these are the different blades are there, and these are the different drives. With that drive, right, you can attach with the motor, right? It attach with this motor can rotate it the opposite direction. Rotate is opposite direction and inside. So if you have seen that the is a wall of this shell, right? The wall of the shell आहे and here is a blade आहे. याच्यामध्ये गॅप हा फार कमी आहे, राईट? गॅप कमी राहिला म्हणजे काय होईल, इच आर प्रोड्युसिंग द व्हेरी हाय शेअरिंग ऍक्शन. म्हणजे मटेरियल याच्यामधून जाताना इज रिक्वायर्ड सम ऑफ द प्रेशर and with the pressure, right, which are 100% mixing is possible. Understand it? So these are side views there. The second is the end view is there. So direction of this rotation. These are the shaft is there. So this one shaft which are rotated is anti-clockwise, and the second shaft which are clockwise. All right, with a gap in between the wall and the blades are very minimum. So can passing the material inside between that the mixer is the very which are create the shearing with the help of this, and with that shearing, right, which are producing the highest mixing. So these are designing of the sigma blade is there. Then we have see the construction of that working of the sigma blade is consists of the double tough shaped stationary ball. So in the ball, right, which are attached with the different type of the sigma blade, right? And that sigma blade which are with the two sigma blade which are fitted is horizontally in the ball. We'll see in afterwards that, right, these blades which are low clearance and connected with the fixed speed value. The speed of the rotation is very fixed. Then clearance means that the gap in between the wall and the blades is a very minimum, very low clearance is there. So largest amount, largest size of the material is cannot be passed into that gap, right? If you have tried to pass into the gap, right, it's required some of the pressure, right? So after this passing through that the larger material through that gap, which are producing the smallest size of the material with the creation of which is the creation of the shearing force. So mixture is loaded up to the from the top and it is unloaded as with the same entire ball. We have seen that, right? So it's the same thing is there. Again, the sigma blade is one vent is there. With that one vent, we can just uploading the material and unloading the material, right? So blades are rotated at a different speed about the different size. So what will happen? So we can use the two blades are there, and with that blades, so speed of the rotation of the that blades are the different, right? The first blade which are the highest speed, the second blade which are the lowest speed. Understand it? So can the material which are coming from the one place to another places very easily at the center, and the mixing is possible. Then material also can be moved down, moved to the downward sides and gets shared. So every time this material which are going upward side and going again downward side. And after going the downward side, right, so you can producing the sharing with the help of the blades, right, and which are producing the cascading action. So this is one of the mechanisms which is called as cascading action. So cascading action means that so material which are passing in a gap in between the wall and the blade, right? What is action is called as the cascading action. Then some of the perforated blades which are used to some of this high speed the blades are used, right, to break up the lumps. So if you have seen that semi-solid mixing, if the powder material which are added into some of the liquid to form a dumb mass, so large lumps which are producing, large aggregates which are producing, all right. So so if you want to 100% mixing, so largest lumps are not required. So you can break that the lumps, break that the aggregates with the help of the pressure, with the help of the setting force, right? So that's why the perforated blades also can be attached inside. With that blades, with the high speed of the blades, right, you can break up the different lumps or the different aggregates in between and producing the smallest size of the material. Understand it? So this is use of that sigma blade which are used for weight granulation. So if you want to prepare that tablet formulation, so before the tablets, compression of tablet, so you have to prepare the first dry granulation as well as the weight granulation. Prepare the granules, and the granules is prepared with the dry granulation as well as the weight granulation, and then we can compress with the compression machine and do prepare tablet, right? So that with that weight granulation means that so it's containing the active content as well as the non-active excipients are there. All right. So drug which are mixed into that non-active excipient means we can add the binder, can add the disintegrating agents, we can add the lubricating agents, and so this all the material. So drug heat has to mix uniformly into that the whole mixture, and that process it is called as the weight granulation, right? So it is a particularly semi-solid mixing, right? So this sigma blade we can use for the same purpose. Then if you want to prepare the weight granulation, you can use. Then you can prepare that some of the pill masses. If you want to prepare the pills, smaller size of the pill, so you have to prepare the mass first, right? And uniform mass should be required. So that's why this mill is used. And then the masses which are passing to the different CUs, right? Different CUs can produce in the different size of the pills. Then ornaments are there. So with the help of the ornament is also the semi-solid. If you want to powder or the drug powder which are mixing into that the ornament base, right? So uniformly, that's why this sigma blade is also used, right? If you have seen that a sulfur ornament in a large scale of the sulfur ornament, take the sulfur, take the ornament base that is halogen base, and just mix that the sulfur powder into that, right? So sulfur powder should be highly mixed to that ornament base must be required. That's why the sigma blades can be used. So this family which are used for this liquid mixing, liquid solid mixing, as well as we can use the solid mixing also, right? Which have the highest density. So particularly this sigma blade which are used for the highest viscosity material. Highest viscous material is cannot be used liquids. Liquids cannot be used, right? So those material which have the highest viscosity, which are the material, maybe ointments are there, the creams are there, right? Or the semi-solid mass or the granulations are there, different cozy mass is there, right? So these are the highest viscosity material which are used to mixing with the help of the sigma blade. So if you want to prepare the different greasy material, some of the putty is there. As you know, this putty, the putty is used for application of the walls and to make the wall is uniform, right? So this putty should be mixed into the water uniformly, and then you can apply to the wall. So the mixing is very important. That is called as putty also there. The toffee, if you want to prepare the toffees contain the different material, maybe sugar is there, the different binder is there, different flavoring agents are there. So all the material should be mixing properly, and this form a dumb mass. And this dumb mass, this mass which are just put up into the different molds and to prepare the different type of the toffees. Then bubble gum, the same is that. So this is you can use for that the Sigma blade. The strong construction with a high power, because we can a high viscosity material, it can be mixing properly, it should be required. So that's why the high power is required for the Sigma blade, right? So can handle the heaviest plastic material, right? If you want to prepare the weight granulation, is required the highest pressure, the highest the pressure is required, the higher power is required for mixing that the semi-solid, right? So such the construction of the Sigma blade is required. So Sigma blade is mixer we also use for the chemical industries as well as pharmaceutical industries, the food industries, as well as different prepare the different additives, different rubbers, right? These are the general things are there. So all purpose we can use that is a Sigma blade. So this is a perfect mixing of the semi-solid. So advantages of the Sigma blade is to create the minimum dead space between mixing. So minimum dead space. Dead space means that the dead space means where is the no mixing at the possible. That is called a dead space. म्हणजे एव्हरी कॉर्नरला कुठं मिक्सर मध्ये एव्हरी कॉर्नर मध्ये द डेड पेस्ट नसायला पाहिजे. डेड पेस्ट नसायला म्हणजे काय, सो मटेरियल समजा साईडला गेलं तर इट इज कॉल्ड डेड पेस्ट. सो दिस ते मटेरियल परत सेंटर मध्ये येत नाही किंवा मिक्सिंग पार्टिसिपेशन मध्ये येत नाही, राईट. सो दॅट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड द डेड पेस्ट. So there's a very low pace in a dead pace because we can use the Sigma blade. So the gap in between the blade and the wall is very minimum. So the gap is very minimum. That's why it is a very minimum dead pace in that mixing. So the no mixing is not be happen, or not mixing is not be happen. So it can close tolerance between blades and the solid wall. So that's why the gap is very low. That's why the 100% mixing is possible with this, the highest pressure. Then disadvantages for that Sigma blade, which are mixer which are work at the various speed. That we can reach the fixed speed of that Sigma blade. The problem of the problem of that mixing is semi-solid. So it is a entertainment of the air. So air is entrapped into that the semi-solid mixing. It may be happen. आवाज येतोय? हॅलो हॅलो,
Yes, sir.
येतोय ना, क्लिअर आवाज आहे? Okay, so the Sigma blade mixers which are mixing with the fixed speed of the rotation is the fixed, right? If you want to, it is initially is 100. We can initially, because the speed is low, then we can increase the speed of the rotation of that Sigma blade, and we can fix it that rotation, right? So but this is one of the disadvantages. Then problem of the entertainment of if you want to, if you are just not closing that the total blender or the mixer, right? Some chances there is a air is enter into that the blender, right? And after the air is the enter, it may be chance there is a decomposition of the oxidable material. The material is which are chances of oxidation, right? Oxidation is one of the mechanism to degradation of the some of the material. Understand? With the oxidation, with the some of the material have the oxidation problem. If the air is enter into that the mixer, right, it will such material which are decomposed. Understand it? So this is one of the problem will be occur to the Sigma blade. Right. Next is that is a agitator mixer is there. Agitator means to agitation with the various speed of agitation. Right. So this material container can be hold the material which are very fixed with the various speed of the agitation, right? So materials cannot be go outside. So all material which are keeping inside the mixer only. म्हणजे मिक्सिंग करत असताना स्पीड जर जास्त असल्यामुळे ते मटेरियल हे बाहेर पडत नाहीये, राईट? अंडरस्टँडिंग. सो होल्ड द मटेरियल इनसाइड द कंटेनर or mixer, right? So mixing is done means of the we can use the different screws are there, paddles are there, blades are there. So inside the so the agitator mixer, so its name itself which agitation is the highest speed of that rotation, highest speed of that paddle, highest speed of the blades, highest speed of that screws. So the all which are this paddles or the blades which are just fixed in the inside, just fixed into inside the mixer. So can high speed of that the blades or the screws, right? So material can be mixed very high. So well-known example of the agitated mixer is there ribbon type of the mixer, or maybe planetary type of the mixer, or Nota type of the mixer is there. Right? Because the high speed agitator means a mixture with the help of the high speed. With the high speed, which are create the shearing action, the shearing force, with that shearing force, that is to create the mixing. Right. So this is a agitator type of the mixer is a particularly used for semi-solid mixing. Right. So mixing of the liquid into the powder and to form a semi-solid mixing. So the liquid should be mixed properly into the powder and to form a semi-solid mass. That's why the sigma blade, the sigma arm or the sigma blade can be used, right? Sigma arm is commonly used as agitator mixer and the purpose of mixing of the semi-solid. So this great mixer has two blades. In the shape of that blade is, we have seen that is sigma blade, right? There is a Greek letter is sigma like. That's why this name is given, that is a sigma blade mixer. It is the two blades are there which are move at different speed. We have seen the first blades which have the different speed, second blades which have different speed, right? So we can mixing of the double. So the double there is a double through the shape and each blades which are fitted in the trough. So the blades are which are operate and mixing in the mixing vessel and rule that the various speed of that blades, right, is to create the mixing, right? So the two blades are rotated at different speed. So one usually at about the twice of the speed, and other are single speed. That is not others are low speed, and the first are there is a double speed of that, right? Because after the why it is required, because so the pulling of the material and divided into the two troughs. म्हणजे जे समजा एक कॉर्नरला एखादं मटेरियल एक कॉर्नरला बसलेलं आहे आणि ते मिक्सिंग मध्ये पार्टिसिपेशन होत नाही, राईट? सच मटेरियल विच आर कमिंग इन टू द सेंटर डू दिस, the one speed is a high speed and the second speed is low speed. Understand it? So due to these differences in speed and shape, right, which are causing at end-to-end movement of the material. वेगवेगळे स्पीड असल्यामुळे काय होईल, राईट? सगळे जे मटेरियल आहे तर मिक्सिंग प्रॉपरली होईल. म्हणजे कुठल्याही एंड मधलं मटेरियल विच आर कमिंग एट द सेंटर अँड पार्टिसिपेशन इन द मेकॅनिझम ऑफ द मिक्सिंग. Understand it? So here is entrap with this is one of the problem. And so to avoiding the problem of the entrapment of the air into that semi-solid mixing, so we can close that the sigma blade can close with the shaft or can close with the some of the closer, right? And now if you have closed this properly, so no air is entrapment into that mixer, right? Then with the help of the operating with the under pressure, if any chances to air is entrapment into that the mixer, right, we can use a operating we can use the pressure, and with that pressure we can remove the air from that the semi-solid, right? So particularly this sigma blade mixer we can commonly use to mixing of the dumb material. If you want to prepare in a baking, is particularly used, this mixer is in baking industry, right? So mixing of the different wheat attas or maybe different attas, right? So mixes properly with the other ingredients. Maybe we can add the sugar, can add the different flavor, can add some of the preservative, right? So all should be mixed together and to form a dumb mass, and particularly used for the baking industries. And then we can this mass we can put up into the different mold and prepare the different types of the baking products, right, which are used for that, and also you can use for the granulation. Then these are the designing of the layout. This is agitator, right? These are the these are sigma type agitator, or a screw type agitator, right? And we can rotate its own axis, and after rotation, right, then it is a high speed of the impellers are there. So impellers also can be attached into that. So with that high speed of that impeller, right, so we can, what is the dumb mass is the largest dumb mass which are converted to the smallest type of the drum mass. So we can reduction of the particle size from larger particle size to the lower particle size with the help of the high speed impellers can be used inside. All right. So this is one example of that. This is called as a planetary mixer. So agitator mixer is also is called as a planetary type of the mixer is there. Right. So planetary type of mixers. So it's a mix. It's a name itself. You can planetary. So the blades which are moving at the same as to planet. Understand it? So same as to planet. That's why it is called as a planetary type of the mixer is there. So inside the planetary mixer, we can use the blade. The different blades are used, and with the blades, we can tear the mass apart. जे काही mass तयार होईल, you can tear the mass. We can break that smallest part of that. Means a large dumb mass असेल तर we can reduces the particle size with the breaking of that mass. And this is called as a blade, and this is will be happen with the blades, with the high speed of the blades. So blades we can tear the masses and create the smallest size of the mass. We can share is applied between the moving blades and the stationary wall. All right, and then you can, with the help of the high speed of the rotation of the blade, right, it's create the shear, it's create the pressure, and with that pressure, right, so the mixing is also the possible. So mixing arm is move around its own axis or around that central axis in order to reach every spot of the vessel, right? So with the planetary mixers we can mixing the arm. These are blades which are mixing at the own axis. You can rotate its own axis, and also that's at the center of that the mixer. जे काय मटेरियल स्पॉटला राहील, समजा मटेरियल आहे साईडला आहे किंवा इज अ डेड स्पॉट आहे, राईट. स्पॉट मध्ये त्या साईडला मटेरियल म्हणजे कॉर्डरला तिथं मिक्सिंग जात नाही किंवा तिथं प्रेशर जात नाही किंवा स्लेअरिंग होत जात नाही, राईट. तसंच त्या टाईपचं मिक्सर अगेन विच आर कमिंग इन द सेम इनसाइड and create can participate in the mixer. So the mixing arm should be rotated its own axis as well as the central place. So every spot should be mixing properly, right? So plates which are and the blades are which are slope line. So प्रत्येक plate ला किंवा blade ला, right, is a sum to that shape is slope line. Slope असल्यामुळे काय होईल, जे मटेरियल हे अटॅच होणार नाही किंवा मटेरियल हे ऍडर होणार नाही त्या ब्लेड वर, right? Slope असल्यामुळे, right? So then so that material we can make upward side by upward movement and again downward side. So every time this material which are going upward side and going downward side and which are producing that tumbling action, right? Material is going upward side, material is going downward side. So every time is possible with that, and this process it is called as a tumbling, right? With the shearing. Then construction of that the planetary mixture is consists of the stationary vessel which are made of the stainless steel. So the vessel is made of the stainless steel, which are a vessel can be removed either by lowering its bennets or the blades or the raising the above the vessel. So you'll see in a figure actually. Then mixing the blade is mounted at the top of the vessel. Then mixing shaft is driven planetary. That's why it is called as planetary gears. The gears can be used, right? So can moving the shaft or moving the blades, right? Moving the blades with the help of the planetary gears could be attached with that the motor, electrical motor, and with the electrical motor the planetary gears are used and rotate that the blades or rotate that shaft and with the help of the planetary mixture. Then this name is given planetary mixer is because which are the equipment that are done in the planet's rotation direction. Same as to rotation of direction of the planets. Then planetary mixer is consisted of the rotating arms and the mixing arms are there. Rotating arms and the mixing arms. The rotating arms are the planetary mixers and the mixing arms are there. Different blades can be attached inside. All right. Then as a mixing of the material is every part of that in the mixing vessel. So mixing of which are generally this planetary mixer which are used for solid as well as semi-solid mixer. So construction of that mixer is that so vertically cylindrical cell which are ingrained which are placed into that cell and rotated that the various speed of the blades, right, or the scraper blades are used and rotate with the help of the rotation, high speed of the rotation, the mixing is possible. So mixing element So the highest mixing it should be possible in the inside the planetary mixer. So you can use a different types of the whisk is there, hook is there, flat beater is there, scraper is there, or the system. Scraper. The scraper. Why a scraper is required? Because some metal which are going at the stick up to that the wall of the container. Right. The stick up झालं we can scrap with the help of the scraper. Understand it? So this is a mixing element we can attach inside. So the proper mixing is possible. Then around this, the moment is just like the planet. That's why it is called as planetary mixer. So mixing shaft which are driven with the planetary gears and with the normal speed. Normally, it is a various speed of the rotation which are given with the help of the planetary gears which are attached with the motor and rotated is the planetary mixer. So this is a designing of the different designing. So this is used for semi-solid or maybe preparation of the granulation, the preparation of the ointments. So that can be used for that. So this is the rotating arm is there. So this is the first part is called as rotating arm. So is rotate is anti-clockwise or clockwise is depending upon this. Right, generally can be anti-clockwise, can be used for that. Right, then mixing blade which are attached with this. Right, understand it? So this mixing blade which are attached, and the last part it is called as a mixing bowl. So mixing bowl which are at metal which are put up into that the mixing bowl, and this is the mixing blade. With the help of the rotating arm, which are this mixing blade, which is make them upward direction as well as downward direction. Right? जेव्हा तुम्ही मिक्सिंग करत नाहीये किंवा मिक्सिंग कंप्लीट झालंय तर हा आर्मनी तुम्ही रोटेटिंग आर्मनी हे मिक्सिंग ब्लेड तुम्ही वरती घेऊ शकता. राईट, तुम्हाला मिक्सिंग स्टार्ट करायचं तर ह्याने रोटेटिंग आर्मनी तुम्ही हे मिक्सिंग ब्लेड खाली करू शकता जेणेकरून तुम्ही प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होईल. Understand it? So these are the planetary mixer. Is the same as to planet, so you can rotate it as the same as to planet, right? So then this is one more mixer is there. You can just program type of the mixer is there. You can prepare the program. It's having that some of the software, and with that adjust the software and setting the software with the software with the adjust the speed, adjust the time, right? Adjust the material loading material into that, right? So this is a bowl. Right, and this is a mixing blade, and which are attached with the scraper. As the left side is called as a scraper. Right, so this mixing blade which are rotated with the planetary gears with the help of the motor. So this is a motor which attached into that mixing blade and rotated the various speed of that the rotation. Right, then this is a scraper is used for some of the metal which are side attached झालं तर तुम्ही scraper ने तुम्ही remove करू शकता. This is a attachment, right? So this is, so every time you can take the material and just put them into the ball, right? And then this is a rotating arm is there. This is a rotating arm, right? With the rotating arm, so this whole assembly of the mixing blade which are just downward side, and the fix at the fixed rate. And then we can start that machine, right? And this is a totally the program type of the machine is there. We can use for the granulation. This is one more designing of that. So these are planetary gears attached with the motor, and this is a mixing blades. This is a vessel, and in the vessel is a mixing blade. This is a different size. This one more planetary mixer is there. So this is a bowl which are attached with the different, these are the different mixing blades, right? And inside you can attach with the different type of the scraper, so you can remove the material from the whatever the stick up at the wall of that container. You can remove the help of the blades or maybe scraper, right? So these are planetary mixer is there. The principle of the mixer is the mechanism of the mixing is a sharing action. With the help of the high speed of the mixing blade, with the high speed of the mixing blade, which are create the share, and with the sharing is applied with the help of the moving blade and the stationary wall of the container. So mixing arm which are move is around axis, and around the central axis we can reach at the every spot of the vessel. We have seen. So plates are which are blade is slope like. So the no metal which are added to that the blades. No metal which are stick up to the blade or added to the blade, because is the blades which are surface is it is slopey like, right? And the tumbling action is very 100% is possible. So each time this metal which are going upward side and again is going downward side with the gravitation force, and then this tumbling action is also possible, and this is called as principle. Then uses of this planetary mixer is the break down the agglomerates rapidly, right? So powder mixture तुम्ही टाकले त्यामध्ये लिक्विड ऍड केलंय, लिक्विड ऍड केल्यानंतर मिक्सिंग स्टार्ट केलं तर त्याचं डम मास तयार होईल, राईट? डम मास तयार झाल्यानंतर ते डम मास ही ब्रेक व्हायला पाहिजे, जे ऍग्लोमरेट्स तयार झाले ते ब्रेक व्हायला पाहिजे. सो कॅन यूज दॅट द मिक्सर. So low speed which are used for the dry blending and the high speed which are used for the weight granulation, right? So both this planetary mixture are used for the solid mixing as well as the semi-solid mixing, right? Understand it. So because the low speed required for the dry blending, this is because it is a very low shear is required for mixing the solid mixing, but the very high speed, high shearing force is required for to mixing of the weight granulation or dum mass. All right. So advantages of this planetary mixer is the speed of rotation can be varied at the wheel. So depending upon the your material, depending upon the ball size, depending upon this timing, all right, we can adjust the speed of rotation. Avoid the dead zones and the vortex formation. So because the moving that's mixing blade which are various speed with the high speed, right? So the no dead spot is remaining at that corner of that mixer, right? So it is useful for the weight granulation. Then some of the disadvantages of that. So mechanical heat is built up with powder mixing. If you use the powder, if you want to mixing the powder with that the high speed of the blade, right? So it creates some of the temperature, right? It creates the heat, and with that heat, we can, if we chances some of the metal, we can melt it, and it's from the liquid, and this is a problem. Then it requires the highest energy because its highest power is required for mixing the semi-solid. So the semi-solid, so the solid mass असेल तर, right? Only the powder mixer असेल तर is not required some of the highest power, right? But if the semi-solid mass required the highest power, there is granulation is there, iron is there, cream is there, require the highest power. Then it's have the limited size and useful the batch size. If the depending upon the because these size of that planetary mixers are, it is not more than 100 kg. All right, so not more than 100 kg. If the batch size is 200 kg, if your batch size is 200 kgs, so we can mix that the metal in a two part, right? The first time we can use 100 kg, and the second time we shall use as 100 kg, and to can mixing is possible. So due to the limited size of the mixer or capacity is very low, due to the capacity very low, we can useful for the batch mode. If the batch size is low, that is will be this one. The working is the very slowly. We have seen already the adjust the speed of that. Okay, so we'll stop here today. Hello, Ita Oz. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We stop here today.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.